Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have prerequisites: an API key, a development environment, and a simple app route. First, secure the key in env-vars or a secret store so you don't leak it to browsers. Next, implement a small server endpoint that forwards user text to the model with an authorization header and returns server-side parsed JSON. Once done, test with a curl or postman request, confirm 200 OK, and log the response body so you can inspect tokens and fields. Now integrate outputs into your app flow. Create prompt templates that include role context and explicit format instructions so the model replies predictably. Then choose response handling. Use streaming when you want progressive UI updates and lower perceived latency, or batch calls for cost-efficient bulk processing. Make sure to validate and sanitize model content, map returned fields to your domain objects, and implement fallback parsing for partial JSON or unexpected tokens. Finish by hardening and monitoring the integration. Add rate limits, retries with exponential backoff, and cost alerts so a bug doesn't blow your budget. Also enforce content safety checks and confidence thresholds before you act on model output to avoid bad decisions. Once deployed, track latency, error rates, and user feedback. If the model misbehaves, flip the feature flag to disable AI, review logs to identify prompt issues, and iterate prompts or model choice until behavior stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.